Yo, what's up? It's your boy Drex, and we're back again with another video. And this time, I'm changing up my channel. I'm gonna be a cooking channel from now on. So first of all, I'm joking, of course. It's still a sneaker video, and I got my homie right here, Gidolo. What's up?
You already know what's up, yo.
So it's his first time buying some hype sneakers. So I'm helping him, and shout out to the homie, second chance sneakers underscore AUS. And we got 2 pairs. So yes, one for me and one for him. So as you can see, we got both the same size because we got the small feet gang. Yo, so let me just pause the video right here and tell you guys I lied. I capped when I said it is the same size. It is actually one for me and one for the hype pay, which is sleeping right here. That's why the title is what it is. And stay tuned for the later part of this video because that's where the giveaway will be. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, see how the story goes. And yeah, I'll just open mine since we got both the same shoes anyway. Let's do a little bit of unboxing. It's my first time seeing them right here. So we got the Yeezy 350 V2 Carbons. I don't know why they're called Carbons, but don't ask me. And yeah, there you go. You can check it out.
Of course, you gotta smell the shoes. Damn, that smells good.
Smells like Off-White.
Yeah, bro. It feels carbon, eh? I don't really know about like Yeezys, but
Yeah.
like this guy like hooked me up. He messaged me, hey man.
Hey, that's real, my G. But anyway, so first things first, if you've been into Yeezys, you can notice there's no heel tab on the back, and the laces, they're only one lace, so you can just pull it like this one, so you can tighten up the shoes. And yeah, no more lace tips and whatnot. But basically, it's just a darker version of the Zion 350 V2s. Let's not make it too long. What can you say about this pair?
Hey, man,
You like it?
This is lit, bro. You can like wear any of this long. You got tight jeans, bro.
Oh, fits with your outfit as well.
Yeah, I know, right? Man, it's gonna be fire.
Yeah, and fits with your chain.
Gang.
No.
If you are thinking of buying this pair, I would say you should go for it for now because they are really going low on prices. They're only like 400, 450 right now.
No cap.
And that's only like 100 above retail. That's really good. But yeah, let's just show them both the pairs now.
Bro,
Yeah.
looks like there's a difference between them, eh?
Difference?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Look
By the way, now we got the audience, so let's ask them. Do you notice any difference? How about you, camera woman? Any difference?
What do you think? Is there any difference?
Oh, she's really sleepy.
Bro, look, just look at the size. Looks
How about
like-
you, camera woman? Any difference?
What do you think? Is there any difference?
Oh, she's really sleepy.
Bro, look, just look at the size. Just look at the size.
A few moments later.
Oh, it's smaller.
Oh, it's smaller. What size is inside?
Bro, I don't even know what the size is.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, there you go, at the side. It's size what? Size 6.
Oh, that's like the hype base size.
This is size 6. I think this is.
This is your pair.
Are we gonna sing Merry Christmas?
This is actually yours.
Yeah, look at the camera.
This is actually yours. Let's go!
Merry Christmas, Abs.
Happy
They've been recording you the whole time.
I don't have any gifts yet.
Nah, so what can you say? There you go. Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy your shoes.
I'm surprised. So,
Yeah.
but
Thank
I'm
you.
surprised.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yo, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for the help. My G. What's your Instagram? Plug it.
Just Primo.
At Primo. I'll put it right here. Follow me on Instagram as well at winner888. And I'll be doing an Instagram or YouTube giveaway for Christmas and New Year. And yeah, I'll put the clip right now. So this is the moment you guys been waiting for. Me and Second Chance Sneakers.
Check me out on Second Chance Sneakers _AOS on Instagram or on Facebook. Give us a DM or give my mate a DM too.
Yeah, I'll link you to his page.
Sell
But
tons
yeah,
of clothes and sneakers, accessories and all that sort of stuff. But
yeah, so I got a couple of this from him as well. So he's the plug. And if you haven't seen it, we actually made a video of his stock. So you might see
you
what
gotta
he
check
wants.
it out, you gotta check it
Yeah,
out.
you can see what he has and buy something of that video. He's selling shoes and saving lives. Sending me a photo for Instagram. Act like it's mine. Ooh, good catch. But yeah, this thing right here, this giveaway won't be possible without him. So this is a collaboration. So basically, all you need to do is follow me on Instagram, Mina.88, it will be right here. Follow him, Second Chance Sneakers _AUS, and subscribe to my channel. But yeah, that's it. All you need to do is follow us and subscribe, and you can win either this blue one and the red one, which is basically the same.
Yeah,
it's just on
same
red.
size.
Yeah, so like this, it is a pillow case or something. You can stuff stuff inside and then make it a pillow, or for display like this, a plush toy. All you need to do is follow, subscribe, and follow him, and I will pay for shipping and everything else to get it to you. And you choose between blue and red. So basically, when we choose the winner, I will check if you are following us on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. If not, we will go to another person and see if they are following, and they will win. So yeah, guys, follow Second Chance Sneakers _AUS, the man, me on winner.88, subscribe to the channel, and you can get one of this. And Chun as well, because he's pretty sure we can get more items for giveaway. Second Chance Sneakers AUS, guys. Peace. Enjoy the giveaway. Good luck. Yeah, guys, so that's the video. That's the giveaway. One for me, one for Hype Bay. Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you'll stay safe. Happy New Year as well. And always put the fireworks outside, not inside. I'm out. Peace.